What's up? Got Torgy in the cut. Oh, what it is? Oh, what's up? Got Torgy in the cut. Hey y'all, it's me. What's up? I'm back with another freaking video. I know y'all glad to finally see my nails are done, and y'all gotta see my booty diggers anymore, cause bam, look at these nails, hunty. Get into these nails. So today I am going to be doing eyebrow tutorial. Not because nobody asked me, but I honestly just wanted to. So I kind of consider myself like an eyebrow connoisseur.
I said what I said.
So I mean, you could like get your eyebrows on flick if you're watching this video. So I'm gonna teach y'all what I do. I already like groomed them, like tweezed them and everything. So at this point, we just gonna be showing you how to fill them in to make them look full, make them look neat, make them look great, make them look on fleek. We just gonna get them right, get them tight, so that you can go get these niggas. What I'm gonna be using today, if you don't got it, you need to get it. I don't care what nobody else say. They always tell you, you don't gotta get it, you just get whatever you like. But no, you need this in your life. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the color Ebony. So if you don't got it, you need to go get it. It's $18, but I promise you won't be disappointed. I used to use the dip brow, but I don't use it no more because it don't look as natural. So this is what we're gonna use for eyebrows. As you can see, it's pretty loved on. The spoolie part is broke. That's how you know this has been loved on really hard, okay? So this is what we're gonna use. And then I have a separate spoolie right here that, hold on a second. Okay, so y'all, as my spoolie, I just have this brush that came in a set that my boyfriend got for me for Christmas. I don't know like anything about it, but anyways, it works for me, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now that y'all all up in my crib, the first thing I like to do, take my spoolie and I brush my hairs in the direction that I want them to go. I like the front to be like going up like this. Do the same for the other side. And remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twin. So if you got an eyebrow that's going crooked, you're gonna emphasize the crooked and make it look good, okay? If you got an eyebrow that's slanted or straight, you're gonna emphasize the straight or the slanted and make it look good, okay? And don't mind my son, he back there eating chips. I'm sure some of y'all understand. Back to the regularly scheduled program. So yeah, brush them in the direction that you want them to go. And then that's when this bad baby come in play. I don't like twist it up too much, just a bit, because I don't want it to break. So then the first thing that I like to do is take my pencil. And fill it in the sparse areas. So I do strokes like this. And then for the front, only thing I do, my nose is kind of dry. Oh gee. So for the front, I just do like a light line. And then I take it all the way to the bottom of the brow. And y'all, these eyebrows are about to be like the natural looking ones, not the ones that look like faded at the front and get real dark at the back. I don't like that at all, honestly. But if you like it, then you need to be watching somebody else's video, okay? Keep filling in these sparse hair with hair-like strokes. So you're gonna do like these type of strokes like this. Wherever it's light at, do these type of strokes. And then in the front, because my hair, even though it's not bad to have like thin hair in the front, my hair is so thin where I put the line at, it's not really connected. So I just do when I tell you, very light strokes. Don't overdo it, because then it's gonna be dark as hell and it's not gonna look right. So do very light strokes, and not too many either, just so that when you use your spoolie to like blend all the lines and everything, it looks right, I guess. It gets blended. So then you just keep going. I like very natural looking brows, so mine's is not gonna be too dark. And don't worry, we're gonna clean up any like mistakes with our concealer. So like I said, with the spoolie, you're gonna blend it out like this. Blend that bad boy out, hunty. Yes. Just gonna back in hair like this. You munching, ain't you? OMG. So this is how I like to have my brow. I like it to be I like it to look full, but not to look blocky, if that makes any sense. I like it to still look like, you know, like natural hair, but like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. I guess y'all can get what I'm saying by what I'm showing you, I guess. And I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit more. And then like I said, whatever mistakes we have, we're gonna clean it up with a concealer. And I'm just gonna do the other one. So now that we got our eyebrows how we want them to look, hold on, I'm gonna fill this part in just a little bit more. Okay, so now that we got our eyebrows how we want them to look, we're gonna go in with our concealer. And I'm gonna use this concealer just because I'm not like doing anything else to my face, so I kind of want it to be kind of resemble my skin color. I think this might be a little too dark, but it is what it is. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. So you're gonna use, I kind of prefer this kind of brush. I don't know if you can see this. It's just because it's smaller, so it can, like, you know, cut them eyebrows how you need them to be cut. Just gonna take your concealer. I like to put it on the back of my hand, but that's just me. Or also you can use foundation to clean up your brows, just especially like if you're not doing anything else to your face, because you're gonna look stupid if you use a lighter, well, at least in my opinion, if you use a lighter concealer and you don't do nothing else to your face, it's kind of gonna look kind of weird. What you're gonna want to do is basically carve out your eyebrow. So whatever is like out of place or like just not right, that's what this is for. You're gonna use this to clean it up. So once I got the bottom carved out, I just go in with this brush, also from that set that my boyfriend got me for Christmas, and I just blend it out. So for the top, I don't usually like to do the whole thing just because, like I said, I want it to look as natural as possible. So I usually go around this area like this, because this is the part that always, like, I don't know, just always don't look right to me. So that's usually the part that I go over, and then that's about it, because I don't do much at the top, because like I said, this is natural. This is supposed to be a natural brow look. So I just take this, and then I go down like that. And I am satisfied. So then you just blend it out, blend it out. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I know y'all can't tell, but I kind of did too much with the concealer. So you just go back in with your pencil and just fix the part. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied with how they look right now. I'm gonna do like put some more pencil right here, just cause I want to. Oh god. So yeah, so I kind of like how they look right now. So then the last thing that I do with my eyebrows is put this brow gel on it. It's the NYX Control Freak brow gel. I just use this to set my brows for the rest of the day. Now honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it sets, but just gave me a defective tube.
Oh, it's slippery.
Let me see. I'm gonna try to use some tissue. Okay, so we're back. And the last step, now that we finally got this open, is to put it on our eyebrows. So you're gonna use this like you use a regular spoolie. You're gonna comb your brows in the direction that you want them to be for the rest of the day. Like I said, I like the front to be like this just because it just looks more natural to me. And then the rest of the hairs go to the side like this. So now that we have our brows set, we're finna go slay to the gods. If you guys like how they turned out, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a comment. Please give me or hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good night or whatever. Bye bye.